Okay, we're going to show you how to straighten a bent prop. This right there, that's too far gone. Can't save that. That's toast. That's for the broken prop box. But if you do bend the prop, say like this, okay, now you have that white mark. Now before you bend it back, you take like a heat gun like this. Okay, that's on. And then you want to, this is an exaggerated version, you want to heat this up a little bit so you see it start to change color, same color as the rest of the blade. That was probably too much. This is an exaggerated case. But you can see how that kind of just bent right back, and that's almost usable. Now if you bent it here like that, that's a pretty familiar break. Again, same thing. Just run this little heat gun over it. It's already changing color. And then I would bring it back in, and you're good to go. So that's how I use these props again. Sometimes. That was a bad example there, but that was pretty extreme. I could probably actually straighten that out if I wanted to. Something like that I would probably not use, but that repair over there I would. And there you have it.